All right, we're gonna film this in one take. If you wanna know how to change the air filter in your 2012 to 2018 Jetta, that's the MK6 variant, this is what you're gonna do. First, you come down here to this massive lever beneath the dashboard and you pop the hood. So why would you wanna look at the air filter anyway? Well, it's a regularly scheduled maintenance item. So you come down here and then there's a latch, pull that over, pull that up, lift the hood, make sure you prop it up. Propping it up, you just put it there like that. That came from down there. So here's the air filter box, and you can see you're going to need regular Phillips screwdriver. So let's go to the toolbox and we'll get that. So I was saying that the reason why you would want to check this is because it's a regular scheduled maintenance item, or there could be a problem with it, or you just need to see if it's time to change it. So come down here. This is the part of the video that I could either fast forward to, or that I can just make small talk with you guys. How's everybody doing? No, but seriously, this is pretty easy. There's just 4 screws. You go around the side. This is why I always watch auto repair videos on 2x speed. Okay, so I've loosened all 4 of them. This, by the way, is the base model Jetta. So this is not the turbo. This is the lowest powered. But nonetheless, the process is going to be pretty much the same despite what engine you have. Okay, so I pull this up and off. And there is the filter. Now this is a conical filter, so it's cone shaped. And you can look inside and you can see that mine is already very clean. So I will not be replacing this. But if you wanted to replace it, there's another screw right there and this pops out. I am going to put a link, an affiliate link in the description of this video to buy that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or nasty comments about how I dropped the screwdriver in the engine bay, put it in the comments.